department at IIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today in this session we will discuss about the example of the resource allocation graph. It means as we have discussed in the last session the resource allocation graph. It means if the graph contain no cycle, अगर आपके ग्राफ के अंदर कोई साइकिल नहीं बन रहा है देन देयर विल बी नो डेडलॉक. तो इट मीन्स सिस्टम के अंदर कोई डेडलॉक नहीं है. बट इफ देयर इज अ साइकिल, if there is a cycle in the resource allocation graph, then the deadlock may be occur. It means if there is only one instance of the resource type, then the deadlock is there. But if there are more than one instances of the resource type, then there will be possibility of deadlock. It means it may or may not occur. In this example, P1, P2 and P3, they are the three resources in the system, and R1, R2, R3 and R4 are the four resources. It means R1 and R3 has only one resource type, one instance, and R2 has two instances and R4 has the three instances. P1 is requesting for the resource R1 and R1 is allocated to process number P2. P2 is and R2 is also allocated to P2, and one instance of the resource R2 is allocated to P1. In this example, there is a cycle P1 to R1, R1 to P2, P2 to R2. It means there is a cycle, but R2 has two instances. It means one is allocated to P2 and one is allocated to P1. It means there will be no deadlock. In this example, P1 and P2, P3 and P4 has the four processes, and R1 and R2 are the two resources with the two instances. P1 is requesting for the resource R1, and one instance of R1 is allocated to P2 and one instance is allocated to P3. It means both instances are allocated, and P1 is waiting for R1. And next one is one instance of R2 is allocated to P1 and one instance is allocated to P4, and P3 is waiting for the resource R2. It means दोनों रिसोर्सेज के इंस्टांसेस हैं वो एलोकेटेड हैं और तीसरा जो प्रोसेस है वो वेट कर रहा है. इट मीन्स डेडलॉक मे अकर, बट इट इज नॉट द डेड श्योर कंडीशन कि इट मीन्स इसके अंदर डेडलॉक है. अगर आपके पास सिर्फ रिसोर्स टाइप एक होता, किसी भी रिसोर्स का वन इंस्टांस होता और उसमें उस साइकिल के उसमें रिसोर्स एलोकेशन ग्राफ के अंदर आपका साइकिल भी जनरेट होता, तो इट मीन्स डेडलॉक, देयर विल बी डेडलॉक. बट if there are more than one instances and cycle exists in the graph, then deadlock may or may not occur. This is all about the deadlock conditions.